Yeah, I think I can do it.
All right, so we're gonna test the strength of a DeWalt chainsaw. It's a 60 volt brushless max. We're cutting down some invasive buckthorn here. This is something that we typically use, you know, just like a steel farm boss. But we're gonna give this DeWalt the ultimate test.
16-inch bar.
Yeah, it's much wider than that bar. So,
Here we go.
see if we can drain this battery. Already lose the battle?
Not yet. So I was going to throw a chain immediately with it. All set. The hard part.
John has those integrated chap pants.
They're built into my long johns that I took off at lunch.
Yeah.
Trap pants.
So remember safety, folks. Through the chain. How's the battery life looking on it?
We went from 2 to 1.
Oh my gosh. In no time. Well, so John, what do you think about the performance and quality of this machine here?
You know, great handling, durability. If this is what you're looking for a commercial saw, it's all right.
Well, there you have it, folks. Give it a thought before you buy it.